In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign Tooltips to help signers complete forms faster. Whether you're new to DocuSign or have some experience under your belt, understanding how to utilize tooltips effectively can greatly speed up the form filling process for your signers. Let's get started. To begin, we'll head on over to the DocuSign website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. This will bring you to the DocuSign dashboard where you can manage all your documents and templates. It's a great place to keep everything organized so that you can access your workflow efficiently. Now, from the dashboard, we need to click on the Templates tab. Templates are reusable workspaces for forms you frequently send, making repeat processes quicker and more consistent. Once in the Templates section, locate and select the template you want to use for your form. After selecting your template, click on the Use button. This action enables you to make necessary adjustments for each specific form filling task. It's important because each signing scenario might have unique requirements or signer details that need to be considered. Moving forward, you will see an option labeled Next. Click on this to proceed to the screen where you can prepare your document with specific instructions or modifications. Next up is adding the tooltips. Select the box or field you wish to provide additional instructions for. Clicking on it will highlight the box, allowing you to further customize it. This is crucial as tooltips can be a major time saver for signers by offering guidance directly at the point of action. Once the box is selected, look for the tooltip option and click on it. Enter the text you want to display as a tooltip. Tooltips should be clear and concise, providing just enough information to guide the signer without overwhelming them. Think about what specific information might help avoid common errors or clarify any confusion. Now, if you plan to use similar tooltips across different documents, you may want to save them as a custom field. Click on Save as Custom Field to do this. This feature helps standardize the information provided across various documents, maintaining consistency and saving you from redundant typing in the future. After setting up your tooltip, make sure to click the Save button. This ensures that all your changes, including the newly added tooltips, are properly stored in the document. Finally, it's time to send your document. Click on Send, and your document, complete with helpful tooltips, will be on its way to your signers. This ensures they have all the information they need to complete their forms accurately and efficiently. By incorporating tooltips, you make the process intuitive, reducing the likelihood of errors and saving time both for you and your signers. And there you have it. That's how you can use DocuSign Tooltips to help signers complete forms faster. Thanks for watching, and happy DocuSigning!